Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this Shockproof iPhone 13 series case by Torras. They make really excellent cases, and this is a shockproof case for the iPhone 13 series. So let's pull it out and take a look at it. Now, one thing you are going to see right away that's cool is they provide different buttons. So if you don't want to go with the buttons that are the same color as the case, which is like a black finish, you want to add a little color to it, you can swap them out for the yellow buttons or the red buttons to just give a slightly different style and look to your phone. So that's kind of cool right off the bat. But now let's focus on the main object of this review, which is this awesome case. Now you can see here, this is a shockproof case. You've got on the back, this is a nice thick matte finish with a sort of a misty look to it so that you can see your phone through it, but it's kind of got that nice cloudy look to it, but very, very thick. And then you've got this nice 360, if you can see that 360, see that design pattern in there? So that you've got like a cloud basically wrapping around your phone to give you protection once your phone is in this case. So really, really excellent design to make sure that your phone is protected. You can see those ridges there, how it provides like an air cushion between the edge of your phone and the outside edge of this case. And besides that, you've got bezel. It's about a 1.5 millimeter bezel to make sure the front is protected, as well as the camera, because you want to make sure that camera is protected. So you can see nice design, the way that's integrated to just protect that camera, make sure it is nice and protected, but also looks really, really good. Now you do have the buttons for power over here, and again, you can swap those out with the other colors that are included. Over here, you've got your volume buttons, which can be swapped out, and then you've got your cutout for the do not disturb. On the bottom here, you've got your cutout for the lightning port, as well as for your speakers, all the cutouts that you need. So this is a really excellent case by Torras, again for the iPhone 13 series, and really well made. And this is the shockproof case. This case is made to protect your phone in case of drops. And so you want to keep your phone protected, but you also want it to look good. And this is a case that will do it. Again, this is the shockproof case by Torras. Really, really excellent case. If you're looking for something for the highest amount of protection, but also that looks great, then this is an excellent choice. The Torras shockproof case for iPhone 13.